In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. If you're seeing Copilot appear in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint and you'd prefer not to use it, there are two reliable ways to turn it off. I'll start with the built-in toggle that Microsoft has added and then show you what to do if that option hasn't rolled out to your version yet. First, open the app you want to adjust, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Go to the File menu, then choose Options. In the Settings window, look for a Copilot section. Depending on your build, it may appear as its own tab or as a dedicated area in the sidebar. When you find it, uncheck Enable Copilot. Click OK to apply the change, then fully close and restart the app. After the restart, Copilot features will be disabled for that specific app on this device, and you should notice the Copilot icon removed from the ribbon. If you want Copilot off in multiple apps, repeat the same steps in each one. On both Windows and Mac, the idea is the same. Open the app's settings, find the Copilot area, and turn it off, then restart to lock in the change. If you don't see an Enable Copilot option, you can still switch off the AI experiences that Copilot relies on. In Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, go to File, then Account. Select Account Privacy and click Manage Settings. In the Privacy controls, uncheck. Turn on experiences that analyze your content. Click OK, then restart your apps. This method disables Copilot along with other AI-based features that depend on analyzing your content, such as PowerPoint Designer and text predictions. It's a broader switch, but it's effective if the Copilot toggle isn't available yet in your build. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Always restart the app after changing these settings. Some features won't fully disappear until you do. If you're using a work or school account, your organization's admin might control these settings, so you could see options that are grayed out or missing. In that case, check with your IT team. Also, keeping Microsoft 365 up to date can reveal the Copilot toggle if it's been added to your channel. And if you ever want Copilot or those AI experiences back, simply retrace your steps and turn the setting on again. That's it. With either the Copilot toggle or the privacy setting, you can quickly take control of AI features across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint.